Hi everyone, I will show you how to create a Twitter polls. First of all, open your Twitter app and tap the plus icon in the bottom right and tap the tweet option. Now you need to tap the pause option in the middle of the bottom. Then you can ask any question and give any options right here. When you are done, then tap the tweet option on the top right. Now you create your post on Twitter. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.